Hey guys, happy holidays. So I'm back with another video, and I know it's not Halloween, but I did have footage of my costume and I decided to just put it up. It's kind of all over the place, so bear with me, but I was very proud of my costume. I was a Loteria Card, I was La Chalupa. I got a lot of inspiration from Google and Pinterest and also YouTube, so anything I use for this video I will definitely link down below. And I thought I would just do a voiceover just because this video is kind of all over the place and I kind of want to explain a little of like what I did and stuff, so I hope you guys enjoy.
It's delicious.
So most of my material is from Michael's and some of it from the 99-cent store. Like I said, any details I'll link down below. But honestly, it was pretty much just a bunch of like painting and drawing and outlines. It was really easy. So I started off by outlining the number 48 on the top, and I also spelled out Chalupa or La Chalupa on the bottom.
It's delicious.
Perfect. Kind of looks like Coachella lettering.
Coachella?
The lettering.
I don't even know how actual Loteria lettering looks. It's a big fat lettering. And trust me, I did a lot of back and forth. Like I would keep looking at reference pictures and then go back to my board. So what I'm gonna do is outline this black or leave it white. Not too sure yet. Still thinking about it.
It's delicious.
Next clip, I'm gonna be making like the hole where my body will come out of or go into, and I use like a water gallon to give me a good like precise line.
Delicious.
So actually see my boyfriend come in. He helped me. And then you also see me go back and erase a lot of the stuff he did. So to actually cut out the hole, I used a kitchen knife, which, be smart, don't use a kitchen knife. My boyfriend actually cut it out for me, but if you have like a blade or something else, I mean, start off small. Don't do like this crazy big hole. I started off with like half the size that I drew, and then I kind of just went from there, making it bigger. I also did measure myself, so what I did is when I tried it on, I actually went from like my feet up instead of like from my head or shoulders down, just because I thought like that part of my body was bigger. I did look up videos on YouTube on how to make tissue paper flower, and here you're gonna just see where I'm like eyeing it out, seeing where I'm gonna place everything. I like take stuff out, I put stuff in. I just want to map everything out before I glue anything down to my board. And you see me jumping around, like I cannot stay put. When I'm like doing projects like this, I jump around a lot. Like if I get frustrated with one thing, I move on to the next thing, and then when I get frustrated with that, I go back to what I was doing. But I'm always like really like back and forth. And here I'm just making the tissue flowers. They're very easy to make, and most of the material to make them I bought at the 99-cent store. So here I actually bought tissue paper, and I got this like tan brown color, which I thought was perfect because what I did is I actually made my baskets for the chalupa like 3D instead of like drawing them. So I pretty much just stapled them together and just glued the fruit on top. And pretty much, I don't show it in the video, but all the bottom of the chalupa, I ended up painting black. Just because I covered everything else up with like flowers, the baskets, fruits.
My body's gonna go into there, obviously. Boom.
And I finished at midnight right before Halloween. It was perfect timing. And yeah, I just inserted a picture of myself at the end. I was very proud of my costume. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.